Hi, I'm Taryn Kale, and this is a punch needle project I created called Love and Longhorns. You can find this pattern on my website at www.texascharmtradingcompany.com or on my Etsy shop, which is called Texas Charm Trading Co. This bandana style pattern is inspired by the iconic Texas Longhorn cattle that are much loved in my state, and I'm sure yours as well. Interconnected horns form a frame around a Valentine-themed bandana-style pattern. The Love and Longhorns PDF gives you 4 pattern options: a 9-inch square with a reversed pattern for punch needle rug hooking, and a 9-inch right reading pattern for traditional rug hooking, then a 16-inch version reversed for punch needle, and a 16-inch right reading version for traditional rug hooking. Now let's review the materials you'll need for the project. You'll need Pellon 815 red dot tracing paper, monk's cloth or other rug backing of your choice, masking tape and anti-fray solution, a pencil and 3 or 4 black permanent markers, cloth scissors and embroidery scissors, an 18 by 18 rug frame of your choice, a number 8, number 9, and number 10 Oxford punch needle, size regular, a tapestry needle and thread, bulky weight 100% wool rug yarn. For the project cover, I used about 4 ounces of light orange, 8 ounces of tomato/coral, and 4 ounces of dark orange. When you're ready, let's print the PDF together. Scrolling down the PDF on page 3, you'll find a table of contents. The 16-inch punch needle pattern is on pages 16 through 24, so you should use page range to only print those pages. Use scissors to cut along the dotted lines of the pattern printout. Now you can puzzle the pattern together with tape, so you can then trace it onto your red dot tracing fabric. You can find pattern transfer instructions on pages 5 and 6 of the PDF. Also, Part 2 will review tracing from red dot onto backing fabric. If you want to follow along, visit my Etsy shop at Texas Charm Trading Co. or my website, texascharmtradingcompany.com, for this and other patterns. Thank you so much. If you'd like to be notified when I put up a new video, subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you join me in the next one.